Right now, it looks gorgeous. Nice day over in Pueblo, plenty of sunshine, few clouds. Remember though, on a severe weather day, the sun does help to aid some of this storm development, and we are dealing, as we mentioned, with a lot of moisture. Typically dew points, maybe 50 degrees. We're up to 72 out towards Lamar, and that is where tornado potential will be limited. This is just one factor, just an example of our setup today. It's not going to be a wild weather day, but it will be pretty active severe weather day. 90 the anticipated high in the Springs, 98 in Pueblo, 95 for our friends in Canyon City. This does put us a few degrees above average, and that only helps to aid some of this development that we are watching. 90s, your spread of 90s as you do head towards the far southeastern plains as well. We'll touch on this again. Severe thunderstorm watch through 8 p.m. The majority of southeastern Colorado. We do have some hail, damaging winds, as well as tornadic potential, which we'll break down in detail right now on Futurecast. We watched two rounds of the storms. The first will favor the eastern plains, the I-25 corridor, Pikes Peak region. You'll see garden variety, widely scattered storms. The plains, severe weather, isolated supercells. These discrete cells produce hail upwards 2 inches in diameter, maybe even larger, as well as wind gusts 70+ miles per hour, 1 or 2 spin-ups. Mainly La Junta and Lamar, that corridor is where we're going to see the greatest probability. Here's what we do watch. As these storms begin to exit, lose some of their energy, well, waves of energy push out to the west. That spawns a second round behind these storms over portions of the I-25 corridor. Tough to pinpoint exactly where they would pop up, but this would bring I-25 corridor, which is why they're in the severe thunderstorm watch, into playing game for some of these storms. So we'll keep a close eye. It's difficult to pinpoint. It's an evolving forecast, but this line of storms then pushes out towards the southeastern plains, and well, it does look like a busy night of weather, some nocturnal storms. Once again, as far as storm threats, a low risk of flooding, quick moving storms. Wind potential stays mainly towards the plains. That's 70+ miles per hour. Hail, that'll be large, 2 to 3 inches in diameter for the far eastern plains, 1 to 2 inches in diameter for the I-25 corridor. And elevated tornado potential today does exist. That corridor between La Junta and Lamar, please be on alert. Pay extra close attention to the forecast. Mary will have you covered all day today as these storms do evolve. Some good news, perhaps we calm down and dry out tomorrow. We got the Taylor Swift concert both Friday and Saturday up in Denver. If you picked the Friday one, kudos to you because it's looking pretty dry and comfortable. Saturday could be a different story. So pretty comfortable for tomorrow. We dry out, temperatures get back to normal, 87 in the Springs, 95 in Pueblo. Gorgeous concert weather. By 5 p.m., 87 degrees. The one thing I mentioned, by about 4 to 6 o'clock, that's the best potential to get a shower. Otherwise, by concert time, kicking off at 6:30, it is wonderful conditions. Saturday concert goers, sorry, could be a quick sprinkle or two. Not a washout by any means, just an increased rain chance, below average temperatures. We're gorgeous by Sunday. We rebound with temperatures. We dry out. We will be keeping an eye on our next heat wave by Monday to Wednesday of the week ahead. So this weekend is a hit and miss. We gradually cool down through Saturday, and we gradually increase rain chances through Saturday. We begin to dry out again by Monday through Wednesday of next week, and that could be when the next heat wave impacts the region. So ups and downs, 79 by Saturday in the Springs, 87 and dry for your Sunday. Pueblo, triple digits by Tuesday. Could be the warmest day of the year so far. Only 2 triple-digit degree days in Pueblo. We averaged 12 by July 13th. So we are well below average, getting spoiled with below average temperatures. Canyon City, the same holds true. We cool down, and then we pick right back up, guys. So ups and downs. Classic Colorado summer.